Polar bears have black skin. While their fur appears white, polar bears actually have black skin, which helps them absorb and retain heat from the sun. They are classified as marine mammals. Polar bears are considered marine mammals because they spend a significant portion of their lives on the sea ice and rely on the ocean for their food. Polar bears are excellent long-distance swimmers. These bears have been known to swim for several days and cover long distances, with the longest recorded swim being around 220 miles, 354 kilometers. They have a transparent fur. Despite looking white, the individual hairs of a polar bear's fur are actually transparent and hollow. The hollow structure traps heat from the sun, helping to keep the bear warm. Polar bears can conserve energy by walking in a straight line. When traversing long distances on ice, polar bears have a unique way of conserving energy. They walk in a straight line, using their excellent sense of smell to detect seals or other prey. They have a specialized liver. Polar bears have a liver adapted to process large amounts of vitamin A, which they obtain by consuming the liver of marine mammals. This adaptation allows them to safely consume these high vitamin A foods. Polar bears are well adapted to their icy environment. They have a thick layer of blubber and a dense fur coat that provides insulation and keeps them warm in freezing temperatures. Additionally, their paws are specially designed with rough pads to prevent slipping on ice. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores on Earth. Adult males weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. A polar bear's sense of smell is incredibly acute. They can detect seals, their primary prey, from over 20 miles, 32 kilometers, and can even smell a seal's breathing hole under several feet of ice. Slow metabolism. Polar bears have a relatively slow metabolism compared to other bears. This adaptation helps them conserve energy during periods of food scarcity, allowing them to survive for long stretches without eating. Opportunistic feeders. While polar bears are known for being skilled hunters, they are also opportunistic feeders. They will scavenge on carcasses, eat berries and other vegetation, and even consume human-made garbage if it is available. Hybridization. While rare, there have been documented cases of polar bears interbreeding with grizzly bears, resulting in hybrid offspring known as Grola bears or Pizzly bears. These hybrids exhibit characteristics of both polar bears and grizzly bears. Limited vocalizations. Polar bears are not particularly vocal animals and have a limited range of sounds. They primarily communicate through body language and scent marking. Left-handed. Polar bears are often left-handed, or more accurately, left-pawed. Studies have shown that they tend to favor their left front paw for activities such as breaking through ice or manipulating objects. Overheating risk. Despite their affinity for icy habitats, polar bears can overheat. This is because their fur is so efficient at insulating them that they can quickly become too warm when engaging in physical activities or when exposed to high ambient temperatures. Super slumber. During the winter months, female polar bears enter a state of dormancy known as walking hibernation or super slumber. Although they are not true hibernators, they can lower their metabolic rate and live off their fat reserves without eating or drinking for several months. Did you learn something new about these majestic animals? Let us know in the comments below.